Hello, hello. I just wanted to share a quick idea with ideas you can do with Santorini rock stones. I am using an extra thin heart here, but this also works for just the regular 1 centimeter thick Santorinis as well. I use magnet sheets. They come in a full package. This one's actually thinner than this actual piece that I had cut out. But I'll add the link to the thicker ones that work fantastic for thin or extra thin ones. So this is the idea. I had done this for a friend on water slide paper, and then I resined it. So you could see I cut out this piece. I had placed it on here and traced it. And now the thinner one is easier to cut than the thicker one, but you could still cut the thicker one as well. And what I do is I cut within, like since I'm tracing it, I cut it quite a bit inside the line so that, because tracing it winds up making it larger than what's needed because you're doing it from the outside. So right now I'm just cutting this magnet. And then you take you peel off the side. Now you can do this more accurately if you want. I'm not that big into it needing to be that accurate because it's the back. And there it is. So now it's become a magnet. I do suggest the thicker magnet. Again, I'll put a link. I got it off of Amazon. It's like 5 sheets and it's extra thick magnet sheets. So hopefully that inspires somebody to do anything. I've done it a ton with squares, smaller squares for magnets for holding things up, not just the stone. This one, I'm just doing it as a magnet to hold up the stone. This thin paper, or the thin magnet, isn't strong enough to hold the stone and like paper or anything. So, but the thicker stuff is, and the thicker will work with the 1 centimeter, the thin Santorinis, not just the extra thin. So that's my quick information. I hope you've learned something and have fun trying. Bye.